Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today we will talk about some discussions of the Bhagavad Gita. Before doing that, let us discuss about the perennial topics or the most important topics that are being discussed in Bhagavad Gita in an indirect way. What is this discussion and what is the topic? Let me tell you. First, there is the eternal flame called the spiritual soul. Then there is the spark from this eternal flame which is called the soul. The spark from the eternal flame of spiritual soul is qualitatively equal to the eternal flame that is the spiritual soul. But though it is the superior energy of the eternal flame of superior soul, it is not as powerful as the eternal flame itself. In other words, a spark is just a spark and the flame is the actual flame. There is another inferior energy of this eternal flame of super soul. This inferior energy is called the material world. The spark, which is qualitatively but inferior in size to the super soul, which is the soul which is qualitatively equal to the super soul, yet smaller in size, mistakes this and tries to lord it over the inferior material energy, thinking that because it is spiritual and superior, it can do that. But in that process, it gets enveloped by the causal intelligence, the astral mind, the etheric senses, and the gross body. Now, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, the most superior is the eternal flame of super soul. Next comes the soul which is a spark of this eternal flame. These two are both spiritual in nature, yet the causal intelligence, the astral mind, the etheric senses, and the gross body are all material. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that because the super soul is the supreme, hence he should always try to take vibrations from this super soul before committing an act. He should scrupulously avoid the etheric senses, the astral mind, and the causal intelligence while taking an important decision which may hit his conscience in future. If Arjuna or any living entity listens to his own self, his own conscience, the eternal flame of the super soul, then the same living entity will only do that which is good for him and for the society. This was the only way to ultimately realize its mistake as a soul, and then after realizing the self and attaining deliverance, the living entity can go back to Godhead. Kindly let me know how you like my analysis and interpretation of what Lord Krishna has told Arjuna. If you feel that it is worth it, then kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I may keep informing you about my future spiritual videos. Till then, it is thanks.